Welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss questions with respect to two or more people working together completely in time and work concepts. In the next session, we will discuss two or more people working together partially, and in the following session, we will discuss questions with respect to two or more people working alternately or on turn basis. And this is the third in the series of time and work videos that we are making. Let's start with the question. ABC can complete a work in 20, 30, 60 days respectively. How many days all the three together can complete the work? If you recall the discussion we had in the earlier video on different approaches to solving time and work questions, two important approaches, unitary method and LCM method. And if you recall the discussion, I suggest you watch that video before coming to this. In unitary method, we'll assume that work is 1 unit. If work is 1 unit, if A completes the work in 20 days, in one day, A completes, in one day A does 1 by 20th work, B does 1 by 30th work, because B takes 30 days to complete 1 unit, C takes 1 by 60th work. So all the three people take in one day, how much work means 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. It is 60 is the LCM, 23s, 32s, 61s, 6 by 60 are 1/10 of the work they do. In one day, if they can do 1/10 of the work, to complete the entire work, they will take 10 days. So our answer is 10 days. This is first approach. We will discuss it in three different approaches. Second one is LCM method. Then I will also give you a formula. And as I said, if you recall the discussion we had in the earlier session, as in LCM method, we assume the work as, instead of 1 unit, we assume the work as LCM of the given numbers. LCM of 20, 30, 60 is 60. So we assume the work as 60 units. Now, A can complete the work in 20 days, means in one day, A will do 60 by 20. 60 units work, A does it in 20 days, means in one day A completes 60 by 23 units work. In one day, B will do 60 by 30, 2 units work. And in one day, C will do 60 by 60, 1 unit work. So if all the three people are working ABC, in one day they will do 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 units work. But total work is 60 units, means number of days required is 60 by 6, that is 10 days. We got the same answer. This is unitary method, this is LCM method. Then there is a formula that we can use. That formula is like this. If A alone takes A days, B alone takes B days, A and B together take how many days? That is, if two people are working together, how many days they take means AB by A plus B days. But now we have three people. If there are three people, A takes A days, B takes B days, C days, then ABC together take how many days means ABC by AB plus BC plus AC. Here, if I apply this formula here, 20 into 30 into 60 by AB, that is 20 into 30, plus BC, that is 30 into 60, plus AC, that is 20 into 60. It is 20 into 30 into 60 by, you can see 20, 30, 600 plus 1800, 2400 plus 1200, 3600. 60 60s, 31s, 32s, 2 10s. Our answer is 10 days. This is another way of solving the question, right? So three different approaches we have discussed. Let's take up one more. A and B can complete a work in 20 days. B and C can complete it in 24 days, and A and C can do it in 30 days. In how many days all the three together can complete the work? Fine. Again, we can try either unitary method or LCM method. We just go by LCM method. In LCM method, we assume the work as LCM of the given numbers 20, 24, 30. LCM of 20, 24, 30, if you calculate, you will get 120. So we'll assume work as 120 units. Then A and B take 20 days, means A and B in one day will take 120 by 20, 120 by 20, that is 6 units. B and C in one day will take 120 by 24. This is 120 by 20. This is 120 by 24, 5 units. A and C in one day will take 120 by 30, that is 4 units. So if you add all of them, 2A, 2B, 2C, 2 times of ABC's 1 day's work is 6 plus 5 plus 4. We are adding all the 3 here. 6 plus 5 plus 4, that is 15. Our A plus B plus C's 1 day's work is 15 by 2. 1 day's work is 15 by 2, but total work is 120 units, means number of days equals to total work 120 by number 1 day's work 15 by 2. 15 by 2, denominator will go to numerator. This denominator 2 will go to numerator. You can say 15 8, 8 to 16 days. So our answer is 16 days. Right? Let's take up one more. Interesting question. A and B take 12 days and 27 days more than the number of days in which they together complete the work. In how many days do A and B together complete the work? Right. For this question, I'll do it in 2 different ways. One, by applying unitary method concepts. Second, I'll give you a shortcut. See, why we, instead of discussing only shortcut, I'll tell you the basic method is, tomorrow if you forget the shortcut, at least you should know how to solve the question, right? So wherever we remember shortcuts, we can use them, but you should also know the basic approach. Now, let us say A and B take 12 days and 27 days more than number of days in which they together complete the work. If A and B together take, say, let's say X days, A alone takes X plus 12 days more than that. B alone will take 27 days more than their combined work, means X plus 27. If 1 day's work of, if A can complete the work in X plus 12 days, in 1 day, A will do 1 by X plus 12. In 1 day, B will do 1 by X plus 27. But if I add these two, I get 1 day's work of A and B. But A and B are together completing the work in X days, means their 1 day's work is 1 by X. This is 1 day's work of A and B. So sum of these two should be equal to 1 by X. When you simplify this algebraic equation, we'll get X value. See here. LCM, if I take X plus 12 into X plus 27, X plus 12 goes X plus 27 times, X plus 27 goes X plus 12 times, equals to 1 by X. If you simplify, this is 2X plus 39 by, if I multiply these two, we'll get this as X square plus 12X plus 27X, 39X plus 12 into 27, 324. Equals to 1 by X. If I cross multiply, 2X square plus 39X equals to X square plus 39X plus 324. 39X gets cancelled. X square comes this side. 2X square minus X square. X square is 324. Or X equals to square root of 324, which is 18. So our answer is 18. A and B together take how many days, means it is 18 days. This is the unitary method, but however we have an interesting shortcut here. That is, if A and B take D days, whereas A alone takes D plus X days, that is, if they together take D days and A takes X days more than this, B takes D plus Y days, means Y days more than that, then D is equal to square root of XY. Here D is equal to A takes 12 days more than their combined work time, and B takes 27 days, means X and Y are 12 and 27. 12 into 27, if we take square root of this 12, we can be written as 3 into 4. 27 can be written as 3 into 9. For 2 3's, 1 3 will come. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 into 6, 2. 6 into 3, 18. It is 18 days. Like this, we can answer the questions there. So these are a few examples where people are working together all the time. No one started late or no one left early. In the next session, as I said, we will discuss questions when people work partially together. That is, someone starts late or someone leaves in the middle, right? And students, for more on time and work concepts and questions, please reach my profile on Udemy. The link is given below, where you find a comprehensive course on time and work and ratio, proportion, variation concepts. Thank you.